Now I'm gonna show you how to change the air filter for a Chevy Malibu 2008 air filter in the engine. The first thing we have to do is take off this clip right here. Before we go ahead, these are the tools I'm using. Just the power tool and the replacement air filter. Make sure you use tools that you're comfortable with. If you're not comfortable using the power tools, use the regular tools. Press this in and you can slide this out. Secure it somewhere in the engine and take off this. Now you unscrew this until it's loose and you can slide this out. So this is the old air filter. Remember, take note of this. But this helps you install the new air filter. Now we install. Remember, this washer here goes inside. Put this back on. Snap this close back on. Install this. Don't forget the clip to secure the clip. It stays in place. Secure this back. That's it. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel.